Welcome to this video on setting up your Android phone with Microsoft Intune to access your Nbcc corporate email and other applications, otherwise known as Bring Your Own Device. So I'll begin by going to our Nbcc information technology page on Nbcc at Work. So just at the top here, you're just going to type in intranet.nbcc.ca where the web URL goes. And once you're brought to Nbcc at Work, you're just going to go under the key areas and information technology section. Now once the information technology page opens up here, we're just going to go under IT FAQs and onboarding. And then you're going to scroll down to the very bottom here where you're going to see the last item here is BYOD, Bring Your Own Device. And so you're just going to click on the little button right here on the far right, Bring Your Own Device. And then to get the Android instructions here, you just need to click on the little link here. So the default ones that come up is for iOS. So you're going to click here for the Android instructions. So I'd like to begin by just talking a little about what is Microsoft Intune. So Microsoft Intune is a cloud-based tool which enables onboarding a mobile device for enhanced data protection. So this enables a feature called Mobile Device Management, or MDM, which gives Nbcc IT employees limited access to your Nbcc data on a secure platform and protects corporate and student-related information. So Intune also provides seamless access to various Microsoft applications like the Outlook mobile app, Microsoft Teams, Office tools including Word and PowerPoint. But at this time, we're only pushing frequently used apps like Outlook, Teams, and Edge. So if you require other apps such as SharePoint, Planner, you can download those from the Intune Managed Play Store. So all Nbcc provided smartphones are already enrolled in Microsoft Intune for security and compliance reasons. So the practice where employees use their personal smartphones to access corporate Nbcc email and other apps here at Nbcc is called BYOD, or Bring Your Own Device. So staff members are not required to download Microsoft Intune. However, if you use your personal phone to access data such as Nbcc email, you'll automatically receive a prompt to register your phone in Intune, and all downloads will happen automatically. This communication will happen via email. So when Nbcc IT triggers enrollment, you must register and enroll into Intune in order to continue viewing your Nbcc email on a personal device. So without Intune Mobile Device Management Platform, access to your Nbcc email is not secure, and you're at a very high risk of exposing Nbcc corporate and student information. It's also important to note that through Microsoft Intune, Nbcc IT administrators will only have access to your phone model and device name, serial number, operating system, patch level, manage app names, Nbcc username, and login time for Nbcc apps only. Nbcc IT administrators will not be able to see or have access to your personal information such as call web history, user activity, location, email and text messages, contacts, passwords, calendar, camera or images, application usage, data, or any media such as audio and video. So when you install Microsoft Intune, some frequently used apps, as I said, like Outlook, Teams, and Edge will automatically be installed on your device within 10 minutes of the Intune enrollment. Other apps like SharePoint, Word, and Excel can be downloaded from the Secure Play Store, and it's important to note that the Secure Play Store is different from the regular Google Play Store or the Apple Play Store and is accessible via the company portal app. So we'll begin here by the very first thing you need to do to get to the Microsoft company portal app is go to the Google Play Store on your Android device. So you're just going to go to the Google Play Store and then you'll just search Microsoft company portal app. And so once it comes up, you're going to click on it and you're going to get a screen just like this where it's going to ask you to sign in. So you're just going to click on the sign in option there. And from there, just the Microsoft sign in will come in here. So you're just going to put in your Nbcc email. So for most of you, it's your first name dot last name at nbcc.ca, and then press the next button. Then you'll be asked to put in your password. So you'll just put in your Nbcc password and then again press sign in. And then from there, you'll be sent a code, for most of you probably via text. So you're just going to grab that code, and then you're going to put it into the little code area right here, and then press the verify button. Then you'll get a screen that looks just like this, where it's checking for security requirements. And then after that, it'll bring you to the Nbcc access setup page here, where you're just going to press the little begin option right here in the lower right hand side of the screen. And then it'll show you Nbcc cares about your privacy. So again, it's just going to review the things that the Nbcc IT admins can never see on your phone and the things that they may see. So I do encourage you to review those, and when you're ready, press the continue button. Then from there, it's just going to bring up the terms and conditions page here. Again, I encourage you to read this and then press the agree button. Then from there, it'll ask to set up your work profile in the company portal. So you're just going to, again, press the next button right here. And then from here, you're just going to press the encrypt option here, again, in the lower right hand side of the screen. And so from there, it's going to bring up a little message right here, and then you'll just click on encrypt device here at the bottom. Now it's important to note that the phone will restart and start encryption, and it'll take approximately 5 to 8 minutes for most phones for the encryption to complete. And then once it's complete, it'll bring up again the terms and conditions page here, where you'll just press the agree. And then from there, it'll just give you another pop-up here with some information about what the Nbcc IT admins have access to here, and then you're just going to press OK. And then on the Nbcc access setup screen here, you'll press the continue in the lower right hand side of the screen. And then from here, it'll just join you to the workplace right here. And then you'll get this finish setting up your work profile screen. And then once it's completed, you'll choose the best category for this device. So, for example, I'm with information technology. So for me, IT would be the best one. If you're one of the instructors at Nbcc, maybe education would be the best option for you. If you're with the finance team, you can select finance, administration, etc. So once you do that, you just press the done button, and then you'll get this you're all set screen. And then finally, last but not least, you're just going to press the done button, and then you'll be all set up with Microsoft Intune. So this concludes the tutorial on setting up your Android device with Microsoft Intune at the New Brunswick Community College.